Greetings from Test Prep Card. What is SATless? SATless is basically Atlas of SAT. Once you enter into this, you are able to know each and everything about SAT general. I mean to say each and everything about math and English. So let me present over here the outlay of SATless. Right. First of all, I would like to tell you that this is the most robust ecosystem of SAT general on this earth. It is basically a collection of 5,250 questions at present, divided into 10 segments, right? For your convenience, what I am going to do, I am going to read these segments one by one, or you can also call it modules one by one, so that things are completely deciphered for you. Right now, the first component that you shall be finding, the first module, is known as SAT 154. Now, what this SAT 154 is, right? This is something that you are coming across for the first time. In SAT general, in 4 modules, there are 154 questions. So SAT 154, each question is related with a topic. And this is the topic that you start encountering in real SAT right from the first question. So there are 154 topics which are representing the whole outlay of real SAT. What a good thing, right? Before you proceed further into whole SATless, you have got a complete insight that which question number is related to which topic. Okay. So there are 154 questions related with our 4 modules: calculator section of math and non-calculator section of math, language and writing, and reading section of English, right? After attempting this SAT 154, you would be able to check your answer, okay, in form of video solutions. Let me also tell you, before I delve into the genesis, or before I go more inside, let me tell you that after doing every module, you would be able to go into your account, and over there you have to feed in the answer. Now, what is the way to feed in the answer? For example, question 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So you will simply feed in 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, whatever options you have chosen once you have done the test in the pen and paper based model. Okay. And after that, once you click on submit, you get the cumulative score for the whole section. I mean to say either for math or for English, right? So this is the best thing. And solution doesn't mean any written solution. Solution means detailed solutions, stepwise solutions, where each and every minute step has been defined, right, by the best of the subject matter experts. It's completely comprehended. Okay. So SAT 154. Now, the second is SAT 150. Now, what this SAT 150 is, right? This culture you must never have heard in SAT examination. There are 3 very important topics of SAT general: algebra, geometry, and number system. So what we have done, that we have compiled last 20 years questions of number systems of SAT, algebra, and geometry of SAT respectively, right? And you attempt this, and after that go and check your answer. So instead of wandering here and there, and instead of being in search for from where I should get the most important and the toughest questions which are high on level of difficulty, here we present SAT 150, right? Next is SAT 1540. Now this SAT 1540, basically currently there are 10 official papers of College Board. It has been released by College Board since 1st of April 2016. So there are 10 papers, and this has also been sent to you in hard copy. You do this and check your answer. So this is basically the College Board paper. Now SAT 352. Now what this SAT 352 is, it is basically the test of English. This module basically signifies of English. In that, you shall be finding that there are approximately 32 comprehension, in form of 8 papers, and this belongs to the reading section. Again you do this, okay, I mean you do one paper of reading and then go and check your answer. Now next is for SAT 416. SAT 416 basically comprises of 8 papers of language and writing, and the thing is same, you do it one by one and go and check it. Each has 52 questions, each paper, right? Now SAT 600, in that this again is emphasizing on SAT 600 is of English, where there are 40 comprehension, okay, each has got 11 questions. You go do this and check your answer. Now after that we have got SAT 1293. Now this SAT 1293 is basically huge collection of most important questions of SAT general mathematics. Okay, the way is same, you do the paper one by one and after that go check your answer, solution in the form of video. Then we have got SAT 432, which is about mathematics. There are 432 questions in that for SAT mathematics. And the last one is SAT 343, which is all about mathematics, right? So altogether there are 5,250 questions currently, which is part of this SATLS, SAT-LS. And then in English, you shall be encountering, English section altogether, you shall be encountering 2,424 questions, and in mathematics 2,856 questions, right? If you do this, you will be doing the best. Your score would either be closer to a perfect score or say you can get a perfect score. So don't miss this. This basically is the core of our SAT coaching program, right? This is a very robust evaluation system. Do each and every question and check the answer, right? Why we have kept it like this? Because we wanted to go on a self-paced mode so that you have not to get dependent on us. That is it. So enter into SATLS and discover your success. Thank you.